Have you ever asked the Replit agent or assistant to make a small change, like changing a word or two, and it goes through and breaks a bunch of stuff? Here's how you, even if you don't know any code, can make small changes to words and things like that manually without having to learn really anything about the code and without risking the assistant or agent breaking your app. Let's dive in. We're going to go in here and open up Assistant. I have an app here that does game predictions, and right now it's at 75% success rate for all of its picks. So if you want to try it, you can go to nba.sportsageai.com. But what I want to show you here is how to make a small change, let's say a word or a color, without having the assistant try to do it and without having agent try to do that. And the reason you want to know how to do this is because you might need to make a small change. And sometimes if you don't have a lot of pre-configured prompts set up to control agent behavior or assistant behavior, then it'll make a bunch of changes when all you needed to do was change the color of some words. So what we're going to do is first tell the assistant to make a backup. And the way I like to do that is to tell it to add a changelog file if you don't have one, or update a changelog file. For the sake of this application demo, I've removed the changelog file in this app, so we're going to tell it to do that. There we go. And we're just going to tell it to do that. And we're also going to say and the reason for the checkpoint here is so that we have a quick save. It's a 5-cent save that we can go back to if we mess something up, because I'm going to show you how to change those things manually very easily without knowing any code. The nice thing about changelog is it doesn't really matter what's in here for the first creation if you don't have one, but it will create this checkpoint that you can go back to that hasn't changed anything in your app, so you have safety to make this next change without worrying about breaking anything. Okay, so now that the app is back online, we're going to switch over to basic mode, and we are going to say, we're going to say it has the word sign up now. Tell me where in the files I can edit. So now we're in the basic assistant, and this basic assistant can't make any changes. All right, so it's in the templates index.html, and it shows us the text here. Awesome. So if I don't know anything about code, I can still click this templates index, and I can just look through here and see the words right here. And I could add additional words here, right? I could just change those out. Okay, and once you're done with that, we are going to stop the app and restart the application. And now our new words are here. Now I don't want to have a double word, so I'm going to go ahead and undo that. And that's how you make a simple change without actually letting the assistant change a bunch of stuff. We just needed to change one thing. We just needed to change one thing there, and we're back. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe so you can see more just like it.